Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. So in today's video, we're going to show you guys how to check the TLS version on Windows Server 2022. This is a pretty popular search query online. We thought it'd be best to just make a quick, simple video on how to check these different protocols within the registry editor. It's a fairly simple process. You just have to open up the registry editor and then click down and navigate to a specific file, and you can easily find out which protocols you have enabled. Now, before we jump into that, if you're interested in your own copy of Server or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so here I am on Windows Server 2019, the standard eval edition. This is the same process for Server 2022, as well as the older versions of Server. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is Windows key and R together. And then we're gonna enter the registry editor, and you just type in regedit for that. So we'll press OK. And then I've already got the folder pulled up, but I'm gonna take you guys through exactly what to press to get there. So we're gonna drop the arrow here on H key local machine. And then the next arrow we're gonna drop is system. So click the arrow next to system. Going down again, current control set, you drop the arrow there, drop the arrow again underneath control, and then we're going to scroll way down to security providers, click that, and then again underneath S channel, and then the folder that's going to contain our protocols here is protocols. So typically what you're going to see inside of this folder are additional folders, and that's going to contain the different protocols. I don't currently have any enabled here. I just installed this copy of Server 2019 on a virtual machine, but you're looking for things like TLS 1.2, TLS 2.0, DTLS 1.0, SSL. Whichever protocol you're trying to check, this is the folder that you're going to check it in. So for example, if we see TLS 1.2, we would click into that folder, and then there's going to be a 32-bit DWORD here that will say enabled, and then if the data is set to anything other than 0, that protocol is enabled on your server. If you're not familiar with the registry editor, hopefully this is making some kind of sense to you guys, but this is basically how to check your TLS version. You can also check the other protocols. And then the way to tell whether it's enabled is by what the data says next to it. So if it's 0, it's disabled. If it's something other than 0, it's enabled. All right, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Super quickly, we just wanted to show you guys how to actually check the version here. If you wanna see more on this topic, let us know in the comment section below, and we'll look into creating more videos. Again, if you're interested in Windows Server or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.